Hey there, creative minds. Ever wanted to bring your favorite feline friends to life in the most adorable way possible? Today, we're diving into the fun world of making emoji cat videos for YouTube. It's a fantastic way to express your love for cats and share some smiles with the world. You might be thinking, how do I even start? Don't worry, it's simpler than you imagine, and we'll walk through it step by step. The beauty of emoji cat videos is their versatility. You can use them to tell a funny story, share a cute moment, or even create a short, animated greeting. First, let's think about the core elements. You'll need some fantastic emoji cat images. There are tons of resources online where you can find a wide variety of expressive cat emojis. Look for ones that capture different emotions: happy, sleepy, curious, or even a little mischievous. The more variety, the more engaging your video will be. Next, consider your story or theme. What do you want your emoji cat to do? Maybe it's waking up, chasing a virtual laser pointer, or enjoying a cozy nap. Having a simple narrative will give your video direction and make it more enjoyable for viewers. Now, for the magic, bringing them to life. You don't need complex animation software. Many user-friendly video editing apps and even some online tools allow you to import images and create simple animations. Think about making the emojis move across the screen, appear and disappear, or even change expressions slightly. Even subtle movements can add a lot of charm. Don't forget about sound. While not strictly necessary for every emoji cat video, adding some gentle background music or even some cute meow sound effects can really enhance the overall feel. Just make sure the audio complements your visuals and doesn't overpower them. When you're putting it all together, focus on keeping it light and cheerful. The goal is to spread joy. Think about the pacing. You want enough time for viewers to appreciate each emoji and its action, but not so long that it becomes boring. Finally, when you upload your masterpiece to YouTube, a good title and description will help people find it. Use keywords like emoji cat, cute cat video, animated cats, and anything else that accurately describes your creation. Making emoji cat videos is a wonderful way to tap into your creativity and share something delightful. It's all about having fun and letting your imagination run wild. Thank you so much for joining me on this creative journey. I hope you feel inspired to go out there and create your own adorable emoji cat videos. If you enjoyed this, please consider following for more fun and creative ideas.